I just checked into my flight. I look like a mess because I've been cleaning the house and I have to go run and do a newborn photography session. But then after that, I'm gonna finish up cleaning the house and then I'm going to take my last shower here in Connecticut before I'm in North Carolina for about 2 weeks. I'm gonna miss the dogs. I don't know how much they'll miss me. Their dog sitter is literally so amazing. I'm just really excited to go to North Carolina. I'm excited to see my family and hang out with my sisters and deal with all that drama that comes with it. So I've been drinking vitamin C over the last 2 days to kind of build up my immune system just in case there are any, viruses or anything on the plane. And I also just bought new sanitized surgical masks too for the plane. There's a ton of studies, well, as many as there can be with the coronavirus, that show that vitamin C is a huge help in combating the coronavirus. And now I'm on my way to get a coffee, and then I have my newborn session. So I just picked up my last, it's all gone, but I just picked up my last Dunkin' from Connecticut. Now I'm about to go into work, and I was also listening to One Direction music this morning because it's the 10-year anniversary. I was jamming in the car, drinking my coffee, and now I'm about to go in and work with some 2-week-old babies, which is really exciting. And I will keep you guys updated on how my packing day goes. All right, so my suitcase and my carry-on bag are all set. Banjo really doesn't know what to think about it. And as you can see, Dixie cares so much. So as you can see, I really need to shower now. So I'm gonna shower. It actually looks like it's about to thunderstorm. It's really gross and humid out right now, so it definitely is probably gonna storm soon. Last thunderstorm in Connecticut for a couple of weeks. I'll be able to just relax for the rest of the night, and hopefully I don't get too nervous about my flight because I am a little nervous, but I did get an email saying that middle seats will be open. So that made me feel a lot better about flying near people because at least I don't have someone right on top of me. I have people in front of me and behind me. I'm at the airport. I'm about to check in my bag. So I just got through security and the airport's actually pretty empty. It's kind of stress-free, and I'm just gonna find my gate now. I see so many Yukon signs. It's making me happy. I miss Yukon. Look, it's literally empty. Everywhere is empty. The sunrise is beautiful. I'm hoping I get some good shots at while I'm on the plane if it boards on time and it's not too late. So I am currently in Baltimore Airport. I have a connecting flight to Raleigh. I'm just gonna chill at my gate for a half hour. It's not a very long layover. It's just enough to go to the bathroom, take a break, and now I'm just gonna wait. Boarding starts in 10 minutes, I think. So yeah, then I'll be in North Carolina, and I'm so excited. All right, I am on the plane, and now I'm on my way to Raleigh to see my family. Woo.
Your close attention, please.
I'm officially in Raleigh. I hopped off the plane at RDU with a dream of a coffee in my hand. Am I right? All right, I'm gonna go find my bag. All right, I have made it to North Carolina. I am with my sister.
Hi, I'm Emily.
And she has a YouTube channel, but
It's right there.
no. Well, actually, she'll edit this video, so I'm sure she'll put it in. And then my other sister's upstairs somewhere, and my other sister is at college, and I'm getting her later today, so that will be part of this vlog.
Yeah.
We're gonna film a YouTube video together right now. That's basically all we're doing, so yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we both have blue eyes.
Oh my gosh.
All right, so now I'm driving to...
I'm driving.
My dad is driving, so we're driving to High Point to pick up my sister, and I'm so excited because I haven't seen her since she moved in. But she's probably not going to give me a hug because she didn't give me a hug when she left. But I brought her gift. All right, so we got my sister. She's all packed in the car, and we just toured High Point, and now we're going out to eat. So I will update you guys then. Now we are eating at Glory Days, which is like a restaurant here. I've been here before. I got the chicken salad with blue cheese dressing. Amanda got this burger. It kind of looks sad. Dad got the same salad as me, but with different dressing. Mom got fried cod and french fries. Alright, so this is my first vlog of my travel series 1, and I will definitely be vlogging a little more. I'm probably gonna vlog tomorrow because we have an unexpected exciting day. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.